Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Then enter the model number of your graphic card. Go for RTX 4070 Eagle OCV212G and then hit enter. After that search on this website your graphic card. Then you can see click on the product. So this is your graphic card. Click on it. And then click on the product. Select operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. Select your like this, and this is your driver. This is version, size, date, and this is download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see it is start. It will take some time and depend about your internet. And then click on it is completed. Then click on the corner three dot and then click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file saved to your computer, and when complete driver installations will start. After that you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that also completed driver, then restart your system.